Start. We repeatedly remind them that they have to provide regulated marketing facilities so as to safeguard the interest of the farmers. Stop. At present, there are 22,000 such markets which are run either through local bodies or private agencies. Stop. Besides, agricultural produce is also marketed through cooperatives, and by the end of ninth 5-year plan, agricultural produce worth rupees 3000 crores was marketed through them. Stop. We tried our level best to know about the total agricultural marketable surplus, but we could not get details of the agricultural produce sold through private marketing agencies, and there seems to be nothing wrong in it, because why will the dealers in the private market tell us the factual position? Stop. But we have details of the agricultural produce sold through regulated markets. Stop. Our aim is to market agricultural produce worth rupees 5000 crores through cooperatives by the end of the ninth 5-year plan. Stop. For this, we have made a provision of rupees 150 crores in the ninth 5-year plan. Stop. Our efforts will be to market agricultural produce through cooperatives. Stop. The cooperatives should be free from any bungling, and there should be only farmers in it and not the middlemen, but this is a state subject, and it is for the state government to see that the policies formulated by the center are implemented properly. Stop. Paragraph. Besides, discussion on rural industries has also taken place here. Stop. Earlier, there were 26 such industries which could be set up only in the rural areas. Stop. At present, the Ministry of Industries is preparing a draft under which about 43 industries or even more would be set up only in the villages, and the government will give assistance for it. Stop. But it is the responsibility of the state government that they run those industries in a proper way. Stop. A sum of rupees 11,000 crores had been earmarked for this purpose in the ninth 5-year plan for the center and the states taken together, and now a sum of rupees 16,000 crores has been earmarked in the ninth 5-year plan for the same, so that more and more industries are set up in the villages. Stop. We have to encourage the traditional industries in the villages like agriculture and handloom. Stop. When we are discussing matters related to farmers, it becomes necessary to deal with the subject of irrigation. Stop. Probably it is not possible to increase agricultural production without irrigation. Stop. much progress has taken place under the program which we have formulated for the whole country. Stop.